Hello, welcome to Accountants Minute for the 1st of October. Our keynote article this week is Financial Forecasting, vital when SMEs and accountants need to know the truth about your accountancy firm. This week, we review the comments that were made in the CommBank Accounting Market Pulse report in late May this year. The bank interviewed 45 accountancy firms from various parts of Australia of various sizes of firms. And they reported that accounting services are in high demand. Does this apply to your firm? A couple of weeks ago, the Tax Commissioner made some comments at a conference whereby he gave a warning to accountants: you need to diversify to remain viable for the longer term. These comments were primarily directed at accountants providing professional services to wage earners and micro and very small SME businesses. The Tax Commissioner's advice was to offer a wider range of services. I think that means that many of those practitioners, and you may be one of them, will be looking to move into supplying additional professional services to businesses. And what that means for the accountants who are already theoretically supplying this service, this could mean that you're going to face some more challenges in the marketplace. We have some suggestions to make in this article that accountants should be gearing up to provide financial forecasting as part of a virtual Chief Financial Officer service, all under the overall umbrella of business advisory services for your clients. If you click on to read this article, you can be eligible to win a holiday package. 4 days, 3 nights, somewhere in Australia or Asia. And we draw the winner of that event on Wednesday morning at 9:30 a.m. AEST by live feed to Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube. You're most welcome to join us. The grand final for the National Rugby League is on Sunday evening between Penrith Panthers and Parramatta Eels. And it is the finale of our grand final promotional awards for firms who elect to subscribe to ESS BIZTOOLS, any one of our 3 packages: the starter package, the advanced package, or the financial forecasting package. You will receive a holiday package, 4 days and 3 nights. It's up to you to allocate it to someone within your team to receive it. That's your decision, not ours. Accountancy News this week covers a wide range of issues that we think could be of interest to you as accountants, especially if you are committed to providing a broader range of professional services to your clients. And I hope that you are, or that you are getting very interested in doing that, because quite frankly, it is the future of the accountancy industry in public practice. The days of basically just preparing tax returns are nearly over. Businesses need tax returns, but they also need advice on how they run their business. And today's technology and communications allows that to be delivered by people like you, accountants in practices all over Australia. We have the podcast recording where I had an interview with Paul Barnaby, the Australasian representative for Plan Guru. Paul's also the managing director of Beyond Accounting Technologies, and he's the principal trainer on using Plain Guru software that is part of our financial forecasting package. I hope you'll find that interview quite interesting. The latest social media posts that we've uploaded in the last 5 days to social media are also available. You can click onto them and watch the video or read the transcript of the post. We have free education events on next Wednesday, the 5th of October at 11:30 a.m. AEST. And this one is part of this series we've been running on the financial forecasting type packages that you could offer to your clients to offer real accounting services to them. And that's titled Offering Virtual CFO Services. You can also watch the recording of the webinar that we presented last week, also part of this series, that was titled Financial Forecast Package of Services, so that you're up to date with the webinars that we've been presenting. I would like to invite you to visit our websites, www.essbiztools.com.au, where you can look at all of the services that are delivered in our 3 main product packages. But also you are very welcome to visit www.essbizgrants.com.au, which will give you the overview of how our grant finding product works, which many of our subscribers find to be very useful in identifying grants for their clients. Grants is a multi-million-dollar industry in Australia, and I think accountants who are committed to providing a broader range of services should be very familiar with grants. We keep them up to date daily for the federal, state and territory grants. I hope your team gets up and wins the grand final, whether it's in the NRL or other competitions being played around Australia. Probably most of the football tournaments are all coming to an end this weekend, other than the A-League, which commences next week. So that's a summer competition through to May next year when that grand final's on. Have a great weekend, and I hope next week's very good for you. Stay safe. Goodbye.